Good afternoon.
Yes. Yesterday, suddenly Mangesh asked us to present ourselves. And what was our reaction? Everybody is gone through this process. Most of the people have covered. I think 90% people have covered. Only 3-4 people are there. What is your immediate reaction after that? Can you tell?
Oh my God.
What is problem? Exactly. What is your reaction? What is your reaction? Can anybody tell?
How am I going to do it?
Huh?
How am I going to do it?
Yes, you are? How it is difficult? Huh? Everybody found that this is problem. Huh?
Doing it in front of trainees was
Yes.
different. In front of professionals, it's altogether different ballgame.
But this is learning. This is only learning. And what is the process of learning? That only I want to show you or share you. It may not be teaching because this topic may be known to everybody, but I want to share you what is in with me. That process of learning I will teach you. What is the first thing we have studied, that he has given some information. You have to present something individually on any of the topic. That is the information he has given. Next thing, what we have done after that? Can you tell?
Process the
Gather exact. What you have done?
Data collection and preparation.
Preparation, data collection. That is knowledge. Next thing, what you have done after data collection?
Collating it together.
Data gathering. Okay.
Presentation.
Presentation. Okay.
Analyzing.
Analyzing the data. Filtering the data. Practice. What is that practice?
Visualization.
Visualization. Can you tell something? Huh? Rehearsing. Rehearsing to what? What is in what we have studied in the class? That various skills. Is it correct? What you have studied is the skill, various skills. When those skills are known to us, how we will achieve mastery in that? To acquire those skills, what we will do? Practice. More and more practice. What that practice will be? What is the paraphrasing word for that practice? Improvise. Perfect.
Repeat.
Insight. Yes, is it correct? Insight. What is next step in learning process? How to deliver it? Now to deliver this, na? We have taken this skill, applied insight, and we have to deliver this now. That is one foresight. Now we are in the stage of skill and insight.
Good.
Not in the stage of foresight. One more stage is there. Our Mangesh sir is in that stage. What is that? Yeah.
I'm curious to hear that.
That one is wisdom.
Oh God, please.
Information, knowledge, skill, insight, foresight and wisdom. These are the learning stages. Yes, is it correct? Anything? Any doubt? Now, I want to show you one thing here that is commonly we are observing in our day-to-day life. Any activity you tell me and I will relate it to you with this common graph. When we start any activity, say this presentation. Yesterday we found that this is problem, and now I think it is not a problem, it is given opportunity to us because everybody is presenting excellently, very excellent. एक से आगे एक है.
सही है.
For that, how we have started? Some time is gone for that. We have taken a knowledge. Information is given by him. Knowledge we have taken. Some skills which are with us. We have used those skills and foresight, insight is over. We have explained it in terms of foresight. That is, some type of energy is required to show this our presentation. From start, some time is gone and some energy is also gone. We are here.
Right?
Like that.
Good concept. You got 20 more seconds, Krishna.
Yeah. If we lost to present something, or if that opportunity has not given, and he has told only few people will get the opportunity, only 10 people will get opportunity, not everyone, then nobody has taken interest and shown that I will be the first or I will be the 10th. I will become a last. Nowhere I will be there. I will be on the listener's chair. At that time, what happens? If that fear comes in our mind, which will create this drooping nature, and we will not get the ultimate result what we want. This is drooping nature. Whenever comes in our mind for doing any type of activity, say motor driving, bicycle driving, swimming, or any new activity, whenever we are doing, we are going in the phase of all these activities, and if we trap in this portion, which is called knee point.
Okay, let's take 10 seconds. It is just make a concluding remark. I think you're really doing well. We would have loved to hear you, but
then you will never come up with, and you will not enjoy this point,
Yeah.
and you will not get the enjoyment of any that activity what we are going to do this.
Right. Thank you.
Statements you have really presented so well. Ideally, what we decided yesterday, we both moved from the different, we moved out of the subject, but still, you have taken the subject in such a way as if it has been taught to school children how to listen and what are the ingredients involved in it, how to go about it. And the last point you want to put, which you are saying that you cannot be in that shell, so you cannot reach the ultimate goal. Really, you have done well, and all your postures and everything was very nice. If you would have used your hand and just a little bit more, it might have been much more effective. It's still very nice, and you have used the perfect timings to question people. What all answers you wanted, you got it from people, and you have involved people also very well. Thank you very much.
Thank you. You know, your whole experience comes out when you speak. You're so matured, not only in terms of your seniority, but in terms of your knowledge. Everything what you said is so strongly resonating with you. And I think that is something which is your biggest strength, and you beautifully bring it out. You come across as somebody who's like very controlled in your whole approach. You keep that sense of calm in the class, make complex things simple, and drive the business context. And now I think going forward, all that I can say, I had a long conversation with you at lunch. You know, you come across from an engineering background with typically engineers in your sessions. This particular differentiator which you'll bring with all the skill set what you've learned in the last 2 days, what you've seen from the morning people do, dramatization, activities, kinesthetic stuff, role plays, whatever you want to call it, and make your session much more richer because they're anyway so rich on content. Just focus on the delivery part more, verbal, vocal, visual. I know you'll be conditioned not to do it, but you know that's the fun of it. So people should say, you know, this session में यार, this is something we experienced. ये पहले नहीं था, and that's how I think you can create a brand equity for yourself within Kirloskar. And that's something I must maybe throw out a challenge to you to do it. Well done, thank you.